Welcome back. Well, troops of India and China were involved in a fierce face-off near Nakula Pass in the Sikkim sector of the Sino-India border. A number of personnel of both sides sustained injuries as they exchanged punches, adding the troops had in fact disengaged after a dialogue at the local level.
A rerun of the Sino-Indian line of actual control brawl on the shores of Pangong Salt Lake during the Doklam crisis in August 2017. The super-sensitive India-China line of actual control in North Sikkim is once again on the boil. Soldiers of the Indian Army and Chinese PLA were involved in a fierce face-off in Nakula area of North Sikkim on Saturday. Like the past brawl, men from both sides sustained injuries. The troops disengaged after local level interaction and dialogue between senior personnel.
Even the timing is little out of tune when both the nations are focused on the fight against corona. I think, and also in the background, we had the strategic guidance by the respective leaders to have calm or the peace and tranquility on the borders. To have an incident like this is definitely a point to ponder, analyze and ensure that it doesn't happen.
The brawl comes day after India asserted its sovereignty over POK. With the Met Department starting weather forecast of POK and Gilgit-Baltistan. India is also resisting China-Pak economic corridor from China's Xinjiang to Pakistan's Gwadar port, passing through POK.
Ever since India has served the notice to Pakistan for Gilgit-Baltistan, from where, the China-Pakistan economic corridor passes, Chinese are very disturbed with that. So they try to divert attention. They try to create new crisis, in the region.
This is not the first time Indian and Chinese soldiers have exchanged blows along the border. While the August 2017 incident also saw Indian and Chinese soldiers throwing stones at each other, both countries found themselves on the brink of a military confrontation over the Doklam Plateau issue. The crisis was finally averted after Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Chinese President Xi Jinping had an informal meeting at Wuhan. China has been building up troops across the border, a trend India has been trying to match up of late.
The incident in North Sikkim is not an isolated one. A trend has been noticed of similar face-offs across the line of actual control. Officials say this is due to the fact that snow has melted and troop movement has increased. But fortunately, every time such a situation arose, it was resolved amicably through a dialogue. With Gaurav Sawant and camera person Parminder Sharma in New Delhi, Abhishek Bhalla for India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.